So, I don't know if you guys follow my Facebook or Instagram or anything like that, but this truck came in on the tow truck, and originally thought the rear end was gone out of it. Well, doesn't sound too healthy anyway, but anyway, came in with the rear end locked up, so had it towed here. Luckily the guy drives the tow truck, so he brought it here himself, and told me the rear end was locked up. So I was like, typical Dodge, right? Now the rear end gone, but got her up on the jack stands, and nope, that wasn't the problem. The inside of the emergency brake rotor's got some pretty chewed up stuff. There's no pad left on it. She's ground down. So the emergency brake literally destroyed itself. The pin fell out. You can tell on the side she's just all chewed to rat shit. So basically this was catching, this must have been jammed and locked this wheel right up, just destroyed. So basically it was just like slap a new set of e-brake hardware and pads and rotor, and yeah, would have videoed that, but it's just a regular brake job once you get everything apart, right? So but yeah, that's what we ended up with. That's some serious issues. Man, because they said they heard some grinding for a while, right? Then all of a sudden it locked up. Well, there's your problem, lady. Destroyed. That's crazy. So anyway, we got her together, but I got to do some exhaust manifolds on this eventually, because the exhaust manifold bolts broke, of course. Yeah, that's another day. All right, cheers, guys. Hey guys, so my buddy's truck here, 3500HD, broke a hanger. So took it into a shop to have the hangers replaced. They removed the wheel, obviously, right? And they didn't put the lugs, torque the lugs back on proper. So we were on the 401 yesterday on the highway, and I don't know how we can see with these LED lights, but stripped the shit out of all the lugs and literally just put that brake rotor on. So we're going to show you quickly how to change after you get that caliper off. Two 21 mil bolts. Two 21 mil bolts, and show you how to separate the brake rotor. Okay, guys. Well, Steve's having a heart attack over there. So 19 mil, we're gonna pop the axle out. gasket, but we just use silicone. So it's just stuck together with silicone. Usually there's a gasket.
Oh yeah?
Just pull her right out. Voila. Alrighty, I'll get you guys in closer. We're getting too old for this shit, buddy.
You're right.
Alrighty guys, so you'll notice this little clip in here. It's just a hook clip. You just yank that out like so. Don't lose that. It's got a little curve in it right there to go into that spot, and then this little key. I'll get that key out. Just lining up the square, and a little square key. Come on, bitch. Oh, I need my magnet. Need my magnet. Fuck, buddy, the women are gonna be all over you. Pant like that.
Yeah, no doubt. One more good fucking he's done.
Alright, use needle nose pliers, get this out. Don't lose that key. And then, usually I got bigger needle nose. Can't remember where I put it yesterday. Anyway, this will just spin right off. Doot, 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 doot. Doot, doot, doot. Doot, doot. Alrighty. Voila. Alright, so that is that. So now, what do you want? Okay guys, now it's just a matter of pulling the whole rotor and hub assembly back. There's a seal. If it's too tight to get off, just grab your dead blow and hit the rotor. But as I said, this has just been changed, so I'm hoping it comes off. Nope. Can't be so lucky in Stevie.
No.
Alright. So I just grab a crowbar, stick it in behind the hub. Come on. Oh, come on. Bitch. Slide hammer's the best tool for it, but where's my 2 pound? I don't even know where my 2 pound is. Aha. today. Last one come off so easy. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. All right. Hey, the seal's still good, eh? Seal didn't get affected at all.
Good.
I don't know how much they were.
They're like $30 or something.
Oh, fuck that. But you gotta have it just in case, right?
Yep.
Oh. Okay. Where the hell were we? Okay, now we're at the rotor. Throwing some cardboard down so I don't scratch the shit out of the rotor. And we grab our favorite tool for a Chevy, a 2-pound. And we just pound them out. Careful not to hit this, so your aim better be good. You can't use an air hammer, but this is redneck. So now your hub's separate. You still fighting with her?
Yeah.
Alrighty. So now, so normally you'd replace this seal, but literally this was put on 2 days ago. So, and it didn't explode apart, but order it just in case. Don't ask how we know. Okay. Goes upside down. Line up the holes.
I need your help with this.
Okay. Don't laugh, Eric.
No rush.
Doorman. So, we're just gonna slide them in. Like so. It's nice if you just kind of turn it, wiggle them as you put them in, so these grooves line up with the original grooves. Give me 2 seconds, buddy.
Not a rush. Take your time.
Oh, fuck. See me tomorrow. Alrighty. So we'll get back to this in a second. Alrighty, guys. So grab yourself. I just got a foot to a snow plow. Anything with a nice flat head on it. Grab yourself a nice 2-pound. Whack them bitches. sure she bottoms out. Beauty. So you gotta do this all the way around. Oh yeah, definitely bottomed out. Right on. Whew. Nice bottom out sound. Nice bottom out sound. Oh yeah. Nice. Alrighty, so that's all of them. Bottomed right out. We are good to slap her back together. So that's how you get her done.
Never
Fucker.
buy a Chev.
Never buy a Chev. Take it from a Chevy owner. Never buy a Chev.
Or a tow truck.
Okay, cheers, guys. All right, guys, we're gonna slap this puppy back in.